We got Mr. James here in his new army hat.
It's like a Korean army.
Yeah. What do you think?
What do you think? Looks good?
Yeah. And we got his legs covered up and his feet.
His outfit for today.
Yeah,
Get some socks, pants.
Because from what we read, you're not supposed to use sunscreen yet, so they said just cover him up. So he's covered.
Yeah, he have a sunglasses too. Where's the sunglasses?
Maybe we'll pull those out later. Yeah, just because we're gonna be hopefully under the trees for a while here.
Yeah, so dito kami guys sa bagong park. We never been here yet. So, dyan yung aming car. And ito yung board nila. Get some information. Ooh, spider babe. Ay, that's not spider.
That's a tick. Yeah.
Tick.
Careful, there's a couple wasps in there though. You see these things?
Yeah, it's inside though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ito yung surroundings niya guys. Sobrang linis. Ayan. Tapos kung gusto nyo mag-barbecue, meron din silang barbecuehan dyan. Ang linis niya guys. Meron din ditong bathroom. Ayan.
We gotta find the entrance. Got a little playground over
Diba? May bathroom din. How is the bathroom? Is clean?
Yeah, it's good.
And meron din dito isa pa.
Yeah, they seem like really take care of this park and I don't see anybody here.
Tsaka mini-maintain talaga nila guys yung grass. Look at that. Ayan. So of course, taxes ng mga Americans yung binabayad dito. Right, babe? American, your taxes.
Yes.
Taxes.
Yeah, taxes help cover all this.
Yes, all of this area guys to maintain and preserve this area. Ang galing. At saka yung area pala na to guys, wala masyadong taong pumupunta. Kung nakita yun naman, so far, 4 lang yung car na nakita ko. 2 doon na part and 5 kasi 3 doon kasama kami. So ayan, may mga mesa dito. Tapos ang kagandahan, meron din dito ang playground. So meron silang playground for the kids. James cannot play yet. You wanna try, James? Slide?
I'm trying to find the start of the trail. It might be up
Over there?
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
take a
let's
look.
go up with it.
Empty park?
Yeah, nobody here. And then meron din dito guys. We're going up over there?
Yeah.
Okay. So ito guys, another side ng playground nila. Ang galing. Ayan. Ayan. Tas si Dom andoon, shortcut guys. Ang mag-ama ko. That's the entrance?
Nope.
No?
It's a trail, but it's not our trail. That's going completely away from this thing.
Hey, Asian baby. Asian baby.
How you looking,
You're so cute, James. James. James.
So hi, Mama.
You're so happy.
We're going hiking.
Yay. Meron din ditong swings, guys.
Oh.
And this one, you can rent this one, right?
I mean, I
For
think you're allowed
like
to just take them, and then, but if you rent them, maybe you're guaranteed one. I'm not
Okay.
sure though.
But like at this
So right now
time,
it's open, you can just take it. But if somebody already rented it and they showed up, I think you'd have to
yeah,
pay.
they're the priority one.
I think.
Yeah, so it's like another sheds in here. You can grill, guys. Ayan, may griller sila. And some little bit tables here. Kung magluto-luto kayo. And we're here in the park. We found it.
I want a
You
one,
think-
but it's not the right one.
It's not the right one.
No, this is
But
the-
you said it's a loop.
But this one connects to ours, so we're gonna find it through this.
Okay.
Thank God for these apps.
So you have right. I left pala, left or right. We're going here.
Yep. And there should be a way up here where it connects to the trail that we're looking for. And we'll see where we're gonna have him. What do you think, buddy? You wanna navigate?
He's looking at your phone too.
Thanks, pal. This is our future nature boy. He's gonna be a Boy Scout. Well, you were
The Boy Scout here in the US is so different. They selling cookies.
Girl Scout.
Ah, that's a Girl Scouts.
Yeah.
They're Girl Scout guys. They're selling cookies. You're a Boy Scout too, or no?
No, I wanted to. I thought that'd be cool, but that all costs money, I think. So,
Yeah.
but it would be cool to go and like out and learn how to.
In the Philippines, it's really cool. They're teaching you how to survive,
Yeah.
like that.
I love that. I thought that'd be really cool.
And
But
you meet kids from different schools.
it looks like it's telling us to go back on the road, which is weird. Which could be part of the trail. I'm not sure. Because this is like the one that goes like around. We found the trailhead.
Finally, Terry's Trail.
Yeah, so you did have to walk from... Oh, you laughing at him?
Yeah.
So you did have to walk on the road to find it. And then it's over here. Straight. I
Yeah.
can't see your head, buddy.
Dominic bought this guys in Amazon.
Yeah. That was good. Yeah, little Asian boy. It looks great. But yeah, this is nice. It seems very off.
Yeah.
Off the...
So this is the start
Okay.
of the path. Guys, me and Dominic, we used to walk like 8 miles. No,
Oh, that's that's probably the longest we ever
the
did.
longest in the Alum Creek.
Yep.
That's like 8.
Yeah, it was like 7.5.
Seven and a half,
almost 8.
guys.
Yeah.
Before we have James.
Yep. One of our last long ones. But normally we would do like the 3 to 6 mile at the
Is
High
this
Banks.
raining?
I think it's a river.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You think, buddy? You hear it?
Buddy! You hear that?
Yeah, definitely here. Oh, it looks like it's one of those
They're just so
rain
cute.
drains. He's so handsome.
Just looking for my camera. So, here, hold the camera.
You're gonna be a vlogger?
You wanna vlog?
Oh no.
Oh, you wanna hold it for them?
Oh, it's like a little waterfall.
So I thought it's like a river.
I know.
This is just like a canal. All the way down. Where's the water from?
What's the stream?
Oh, so it's a stream.
Yeah, there's an
Stream, you call it stream if it's like there's small.
Yeah, and then rivers like a much bigger. So a lot of times streams will either come off rivers or go into
Like
rivers.
a random.
Yeah, and then the reason I think they cut it off is they built the path here, and so then they have these little tunnels that keep the river or the stream going. The very first part is literally all up. I got an extra 15 pounds on me.
Guys, this is crazy.
You can't tell on the screen. It looks flat. It is.
Our legs, it's been a while before we already do this one. So maybe it's like we didn't used to it now again.
Yeah, getting a burn.
Oh, legs workout.
Yeah, we have stairs in our new house, so I feel like I get a workout pretty often just going to the bathroom
Yeah.
compared to the old place. All right, flattening out a little bit. Trees. Tree. Leaves. I think these are regular. Oh, a big spider right there. Oh, what do you think? Is it cool? Bunch of vines growing up in there.
Do you see a tree?
Yeah, Mom.
Where's the tree?
We're trying to show you, buddy. We don't know what you want to look at.
We have some flowers right here. Ooh. James, can you give me some? Ganda ng kulay, guys. Lavender.
So many fuzzies flying.
I know.
Funny
And
fuzzies.
James is still surviving.
You doing good, buddy?
We're almost done. 2 miles. Check.
Yeah, we got 0.25 left.
Ooh. And James is still happy.
Mwah. Doing
Still
so
happy.
good.
We just remove his hat para makapag-breath naman yung ulo niya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what you said.
What you two doing?
Oh, is his hat still on?
Yeah.
Just falling off for a second.
He looks good. He
Oh,
don't have
bugs.
energy anymore. He don't smell now, guys. No more energy for
I
James.
might have to get out of the water because there's a bunch of bugs trying to
Gotta
get out.
find some water in here. They're so wide.
Oh, here's this little frog.
Frog. Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah. Daming tubig, guys, umulan kasi dito. There's a lot of mosquitoes.
yeah. Let's get out of here.
I'll go back.
Really?
Really, James? That's it? Jace, that's it.
That's how we covered up most of them. Oh.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-walking. And the baby is sleeping.
Here you are. Yes, he's passed out. He had fun. Good boy.
He's really pass out. He never wake up his eyes.
That happens at nighttime when I pick you up sometimes. He's like this. Still trying to strap him in.
Guys, Dominic is already like trying to move him. Hindi pa rin siya nagigising, guys. Talagang pass out siya. Nawala yung kamay ni baby, guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. And si Dominic pumunta siya sa loob. Bumili siya ng Subway, guys. Kasi grab ako ng something. Gusto ko sana ng soup kasi walang malayo yung soup dito at least. Magdadrive ka ata ng 15 minutes. So, ito yung pinakamalapit. Pero masarap naman siya. Subway sandwich. Subway sandwich. And yung partner ko, ayan, natutulog. Kung makikita niyo sa mirror, tulog pa rin siya, guys. Never niyang na-open yung mata niya since umalis kami kanina sa parks. Napagod talaga si baby kano ninyo, guys. Buyag-buyag. Gutom na yan. Bet yung pagdating namin sa bahay, mahingi ng pagkain kasi last na pinakain namin yan kanina, it's like around 2. So, mag-5 na ata. So, gutom na yan. Pero okay lang yan. Marami pa naman yan siyang reserve na food sa katawan niya. Kasi chunky-chunky.